Chuchu TV surprise! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open up the green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! Wow! Pickles! Yay!
Yes! It's made from raw mangoes. Do you like it?
Of course, Mr. Hilo. Sour, but yummy.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Pickles! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the yellow egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! Hooray! A yellow milkshake! Yay!
It's a mango milkshake! Made with ripe mangoes and milk!
Yummy! Very tasty!
Let's say it again, shall we?
A milkshake! Pick me! Thank you! Let's go for the orange egg! Open! 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 Surprise! A quiz book! Yay!
Yes! I will ask you 4 questions from this quiz book. Let's see who answers first.
Okay, we're ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Here is the first question. It is a color as well as a fruit's name. What is it?
It's orange.
Absolutely right! Well done, Choo Choo! Now the second question. An blank a day keeps the doctor away.
Apple.
You're right! Keep it up! The third question is, which fruit helps keeps your bones strong, is good for your eyes, improves blood circulation, and is good for your skin too?
It's pineapple.
Well done! And now comes the last question. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits?
It's the mango.
Let's say it again, shall we?
A quiz book. The king of fruits is mango. Thank you. Shall we open the red egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! A puzzle puzzle! Yay!
Yes, it's an interesting puzzle. Listen to me carefully and answer this question. What do the following 4 words have in common? Yummy, green, yellow, summer.
Green and yellow are colors.
That's only 2. All 4 have something in common. Any guesses?
No. Please tell us, Mr. Harlow.
Yummy, green, yellow, summer. All 4 words have 2 of the same letters that occur consecutively. Yummy has 2 M's together. Green has 2 E's together. Yellow has 2 L's together. And summer has 2 M's together.
That's fantastic, Mr. Harlow.
Now tell me, what do these 4 words, yummy, green, yellow, and summer, make you think of?
Yummy, green, yellow, summer. Mango.
Let's say it again, shall we?
A puzzle.
The word puzzle has 2 Z's in it.
Well, what did you learn today?
We learned some fun facts about mangoes. Pickles are made with raw mango. Milkshakes are made with ripe mango. The fruit that's called the king of fruits is mango.
A yummy summer fruit that can be green or yellow is mango.
Mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes 2 to tango. It's not just a fruit, but the king of fruits. Grows during summer and it looks so cute. When it's raw, it tastes a little sour. Eaten when it's ripe gives a lot of power. Mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes 2 to tango. Mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes 2 to tango. It's not just a fruit, but the king of fruits. Grows during summer and it looks so cute. When it's raw, it tastes a little sour. Eaten when it's ripe gives a lot of power. Mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes 2 to tango.
Wonderful, kids!
Thank you, Mr. Harlow.
Time to go home. See you again.